Welcome back. Here in Cromwell we've just got this rough piece of land that we're going to plant up with a few low grown bushes. Very easy to maintain, evergreen. Yeah, so let's get stuck in. Here we have the Mexican orange blossom, or the Choicer Tenata. It's quite possibly one of the world's most popular plants, and deservedly so. A very easy care plant with attractive deep emerald green foliage year round and featuring massive white flowers in the springtime. I've just got a couple of these. I'm going to put one here, another one down there, and maybe one up there. So up in Auckland we've got quite a clayey, soil texture, and the pH levels are also quite good for these low evergreen growing bushes. I'm just going to skirt the top of this grass. Get that top layer off there. Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Quality of dirt, amazing. Kind of want to just loosen up the soil, get, not too deep, but just get it really loose so the roots have a really easy time of growing. Now you don't want to move the soil too far away from your hole. I just drag it up just to there because you don't want to making it too hard on yourself. Oh man, look at that soil, it's just beautiful, beautiful soil. So a little trick that I've learnt, getting these pots off, sometimes they're quite hard to get off. Just bang it on the handle of your shovel. Now you may notice that all these roots, because it's been growing in a pot, they're really hard packed together. So what I'm going to do is just loosen up the root structure and really get them thriving and growing in that soil. So I'm just cutting off the base, loosen up those roots, get all that excess off, and just do a few slices down the sides as well to really get them going. Oh. Awesome. One down, 10 to go.